Growing a gaming channel in 2026 is not easy. Let's get that out of the way first. Every single day, thousands of new gaming channels are launched. Everyone wants to turn gaming into income. Everyone wants views. And everyone wants fast results. But here's the harsh reality. Most gaming channels never make it. Not because the creator is bad, but because they don't understand how YouTube actually works. So the real question is this: how did I gain over 90,000 subscribers in just 28 days after struggling for years? And more importantly, how can you do this without wasting years making the same mistakes? And how can you become a gaming creator, especially by 2026? I'm going to tell you all these things in this video. Today, I'm revealing all my secrets. So, let's get started. Look, these are 5 points that, if you apply them to your gaming channel, especially for GTA or Minecraft or any other types of games, your YouTube channel will grow very quickly. Let's now look at these 5 points one by one. The first point is find a niche. Now think about this. Niche means what type of videos you are going to upload on your channel. Let's take an example. Suppose I've opened a new channel, and I start uploading videos without thinking. Do you think that channel will grow? That's not how it works. There are many categories. Some people, like me, speedrun type videos. Some people make videos about tips and tricks. Some people make commentary type videos. There are many types like this. So, you have to choose a category according to your preference and make videos accordingly. And after this comes our next point: consistency. Consistency doesn't just mean that you have to be regular on your YouTube channel and upload daily. That's not all. It also means that, along with being consistent, you also have to work on your quality. Now, quality doesn't mean that you just made a video with good graphics and uploaded it. It means you have to provide better value to your audience with each video, and that value should keep increasing. And you might have heard on YouTube that if you upload shorts, you won't get views on your long videos, and if you upload long videos, you won't get views on your shorts. But that's simply not true. Look at the big creators, or just look at me. I get good views on my shorts, and I get good views on my long videos too. The simple point is, if you can be consistent with both shorts and long videos, then do both. Because believe it or not, you'll earn money from long videos and gain subscribers from shorts. After hearing all this, there's only one thing I want to tell you. Consistency is key. And the third point is something that, if you work on it, can make your channel grow so fast, you won't even believe it. Copying in a unique way. Look, if you're new to YouTube or you're not getting results, then you simply need to apply this principle. Let me explain with an example. Let's say you want to become a tips and tricks creator, and you came across my videos and saw that I'm making this kind of video, and you liked my script. Then copy that script, but you need to add something unique to it. For example, the videos I make are a bit funny, and I speak very quickly, so you can change that and make it a bit more serious. And if you can apply better jokes than me, you can do that too. The same applies to shorts. Start copying the creators in your category who make similar videos. But remember, you only need to do this in the beginning. Otherwise, after some time, when you've grown a bit, people will criticize you, saying, "Why are you copying that guy?" Believe it or not, this point is something that can make your channel boom very quickly. So that was our point number 3. And before we talk about point number 4, if you found this video even slightly informative, please subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. Now let's talk about our point number 4, which is following the trend. Most people probably already know about, so the point is, you need to adapt your content according to the trends, like Peak become the trending game. People aren't watching Peak because it's the best game. They're watching because it creates shareable, emotional, funny moments that feel real. You guys should also follow the trends like this, because if you upload normal gameplay videos right now, there's a very rare chance that you'll grow significantly. So, change your content according to the trends. And now, let's move on to our last point. So, the 5th point is patience and improvement. Look, right now there are more than 120 million channels on YouTube, but 90% of those channels don't even have 1,000 subscribers, and only 0.5% of people have a silver play button, and 0.3% have a golden play button. Why is that? Because people lack patience. Now, you're seeing my growth, that I gained 90,000 subscribers in the last 28 days. You must be enjoying seeing all this. But now, listen to all of this from my perspective. I've been working on YouTube for approximately 5 years. In those 5 years, I gained only 500 subscribers in the first 4 years. I worked for 4 years, but I didn't get results. I could have given up, but I had patience. I knew that sooner or later, my consistency would pay off. And that's where improvement comes in. With this mindset, I sat down one day and thought, why am I not growing like other YouTubers? Then I started comparing my videos to others, and my videos looked completely inferior compared to theirs. So I took a piece of paper and a pen and set targets for what improvements I needed in my videos. This included editing, scripting, and many other things. And also thumbnails. Now, not everyone can learn multiple things at once, so I learned everything I could. I learned editing, voiceovers, scripting, everything, but I couldn't learn how to make thumbnails. But when all these things improved, I started seeing results in my videos. So, I can say that these 5 points were the secret to my success. If I hadn't been patient and consistent, I would never have seen any of this. And without improvement, you wouldn't be watching me right now. So, work on all these things. I guarantee you'll definitely grow. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you